Next thing we knew, we were over South America, courtesy of an agency we couldn't officially name, working for a guy who sent units like ours to early graves every day. Technically, our luck was improving.
So this Aguaya's gotta be some highly placed CIA spook to be out here solo.
I don't like it. I don't like any of it.
Hey, Flynn, right? What's our ETA? Flynn? Mr. Pilot, sir? Come on, dude!
Shoot, man, just hang on, man. I lost my smokes. Hang on a minute. Fucking Tuesdays, man. Let me get my shit together on a Tuesday.
When are we gonna get there?
Couple of minutes. Whoa, how about that?
Oh! RPG! RPG!
Yeah, I saw it.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Now, you see these cheap Russian RPGs? They're easy, man. If it's like a javelin, I have to do something really tricky.
Can you just get us to the fucking LZ before I have to do something real tricky, too?
Right. You got it, boss. Man, this is Ghost Rider reconfirming insert 6449er.
Up there. Up there.
This might be a real short mission.
All right, everyone with me. Eyes open.
Our guy did this, maybe. Impressive shooting, if you ask me.
Nobody asked you. Shh. What now, Sarge?
We move. 5 meter spread. That way. Aguirre's place. Up there.
Hell of a firefight here. I guess some of these are Aguirre's guys.
Two bodies. That's it.
We're wasting our time. No, wait.
Jesus Christ, the guy is fucking dead. We're gonna get pinned down waiting for CSI New Jersey here to tell us what we already know.
Aguirre is still alive. They would have taken these bodies otherwise.
Yeah, it's a clue. Aguirre must have left it. Matches right there. Fits right to the grid. We gotta go upriver.
All right. Call Flynn.
Flynn's gone, hags.
This just gets better and better, don't it?
We got company.
Foot mobile's coming. 12 o'clock.
Got it. Pleasure engage. Make it count. Hold it steady! Over here!
que hay a espalda del blanco, a espalda de la telefónica. Están golpeando a una persona. Pues te puedes ir acercando. 519, acércate.
¡Lo perdí! ¡Over here!
Can't believe this! RPG up top! Take him out! Take him out! Great job!
It's a PBL! Head for cover!
Marlo, we'll get the RPG from that terrace up there.
I'm moving! Give me some cover! Watch your flank! Plan!
Hey, why'd those guys just light us up?
Probably to make sure we didn't get Aguirre. Telling you guys, he's gotta still be alive.
What's the plan, Sarge? Call Flynn, X-File
I
out?
told you no. Okay, maybe we want to find a vehicle.
I don't like this river.
Just keep your eyes open.
This weapon shit, though. You think Braidwood's telling us everything?
How the fuck should I know? I'm just a grunt, not some spec ops shitbird. I'm just doing my job.
Okay, well, see, I got a theory.
Whoa! Don't switch channels. This ought to be good.
No, check it out. If the guys who just hit us are paramilitaries, they gotta be on someone's payroll.
Whose?
Well, that's the question. With someone interested in Aguirre, I guess.
Shit! Did you see that?
Probably birds.
Maybe.
Just keep scanning.
There. I definitely saw something. I think they're just watching us. Why are they just watching us?
Wait, I saw it too. Oh, there is something up there.
Yeah. The bush moved. Did you see it?
No, maybe. I don't know, I'm seeing shit.
Marlo, just get us out of here.
Oh, great. They ran aground. That's so much better.
All right, everybody out. We're walking.
Maybe one day we'll visit somewhere like this and not shoot the natives.
Yeah. Sure we will.
Ghost Rider, we just got ambushed by a bunch of raggedy-ass militia. We're gonna Oscar Mike upriver to follow a lead to Aguirre, but we're low on firepower.
Okay, I got a bunch of kids just rustling away here for a rainy day to dig, but I'll put it in the air for you. How's that?
Many thanks, Ghost Rider. All right, let's go.
Nothing like a little ambush to get the blood circulating. How's the hypertension, Sarge?
Let's just go get the goddamn supply crate before they catch up. What is this thing? Looks like some kind of surveillance hardware. Destroy. Any weapons we find from now on, we store them in here. We can equip whatever we have found from crates like this. Got it?
Yeah, Sarge, thanks. I'm not unfamiliar with how crates work.
Ghost Rider, we got the crate. Thanks.
Okay, Bravo 2, that's cool. Ghost Rider out.
We need to keep moving if we want to find Aguirre.
Looks like we can't go on in the boat. Rapidly now.
Is that a lumberyard?
Aguirre must have gone this way. No way they both on this sort of patrol otherwise.
Go ahead, Hackett. Oh no, I insist. After you, dipshit. sniper nest up there, covering the river.
Marlo, he's yours. Do it quiet.
That's our guy. Is that a Russian? Where are they taking him?
Yeah, I don't know. But I got an idea of how we're gonna find out. Marlo, we're gonna try to get close. You snipe, take out the guards. Use the thunder to hide your shots.
Is it wrong of me to say I wish I'd thought of that?
Yes. We're Oscar Mike. Stay frosty. We'll find out where they took him.
Guy on the pier. Guy on the pier. Wait for the thunder, and then take him out. Far one. Beautiful shot. Move up, Sarge.
We're Oscar Mike.
2 tangos on the far pier. Range to target. 7-2. Wind 5 knots. Wait for the thunder. Far one. Good shooting. All units, move up.
Copy that.
Tango at 12 o'clock. Wait for the thunder. There we go. Good job, buddy. 2 more near the officers. Wait for them to get clear. Far one ready. Fucking A, Marlo. Area clear.
Okay, stay put, guys. We're going in to listen. Nice. We got what we needed. Okay, we're clear. Regroup.
All right, now we're getting somewhere.
Here's something I'm wondering. Who the hell goes to war in cowboy hats?
Cowboys?
Cowboys haven't been in a war for over 100 years.
Dallas Cowboys go to war every Sunday. Sometimes Monday.
Let's just find Aguirre, okay?
Hold up. Tripwire.
Shit. How did you see that?
My spidey senses were tingling.
Thanks, Hags.
Look, I wasn't raised in the suburbs, you frickin' mall rat.
This trap's disarmed. Good work, Marlowe. Trap's clear.
Good eye, Marlowe. The trap's disarmed.
That's a long way down, huh?
Hey, just a rock. I'm fine. It's cool.
They're dug in here like an Alabama tick. That guard tower over there, and then that one. All right, we're gonna lay down a base of fire. Best bet is to go straight. Jump down into that riverbed over there, and we pin him down. Then you hit him from the side.
So here we are in Bolivia. Haggard, you live pretty close to the Mexican border. Do you actually speak Spanish?
I do indeed.
I'm impressed.
I do indeed. It's my second language.
What's your first?
All right, Haggard, go on and speak me some of that Spanish, big boy.
You guys wish you'd hear me. It's more kind of a mixture.
Come on, no, you talk and show us.
My people in Texas call it Spanglish.
Spanglish?
Yeah.
Sweet, I bet he couldn't even say 2 words of it.
I go down to Taco Bell, pretty much ask for anything on the menu.
He's a man of hidden depths.
Get into the river! Go!
¡Me perdí! ¡Encuéntrenlo! ¡Están por aquí!
There he is.
Yeah, they're taking him up there, I guess. Looks well defended, too.
This is gonna get real ugly.
Shit. Enemy infantry. Over on the other side.
Look out! Russian choppers, man, they shouldn't be here.
Well, somebody sent them. We attack on your signal. Light those guys up.
He's over there! Turn! Get down! RPG, they're fucking down!
More enemies!
Shit, that chopper's gotta be for him. Come on! Move, move, move!
There he is!
Don't kill the VIP, leave him alive!
Take the shot!
Major Aguirre.
Gun.
Damn.
No problem. We're square.
Sir, Braidwood sent us. We have something to show you.
All right, then show it to me. God damn, they really did it.
Braidwood said it was a fake.
Yeah, of course it's a fake. I told them it'd be a fake, Christ. They wouldn't just move the actual weapon there. We knew that already.
We did?
Hags.
All right, so a couple of months back, we set up a relay off an old French weather satellite. Hook into this Georgian Milnet. Found out plenty. The dummy weapon was just part of it. Then these guys showed up.
They got all your intel?
Yeah.
No backups?
Where?